Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If you have a Ford, guys, or Lincoln with a 3.5 V6 engine, guys, or even the 3.7, guys, and you're trying to replace bank 2, sensor 1, oxygen sensor 1, guys, stay with us, we'll show you how to do that. So we have that Ford Edge now, guys, here. It uses that 3.5, but the same engine, guys, okay, let's open the hood. The same engine's being used on Ford Flex, Ford Taurus, Ford Fusion Sport, Lincoln MKX, MKZ, MKS and MKT, guys. It's unbelievable. Ford likes to use one engine on so many vehicles. So looking at the engine, guys, on the back side, okay, on the back side right here is bank 1, this is bank 2. Okay, why is that? Because the car is a front wheel drive or an all wheel drive car, it doesn't matter, but if it's a rear wheel drive, that engine will come this way. And the left side is always bank 1, the right side is bank 2. So now, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this engine. We have anything from timing chain replacement, water pump, which is timing chain driven, cylinder heads, all that stuff. Check it out on the channel. Let me explain now. This down there, guys, this is your oxygen sensor bank 2 sensor 1. This is the upstream oxygen sensor. We need to first disconnect the wire here. Okay, let me explain how you do that. Okay, you can see that thing on the back, push down, okay, down, and then pull it apart. Now we need to use a special socket. This is amazing socket for oxygen sensors, guys. You can find it listed, excuse me, in the description of the video below. So we'll get the socket on the extension. Sometimes those are super tight, guys. Not always, but sometimes, believe me, they're super tight. So we're going to go ahead. Okay, remove that hose a little bit out of the way and we'll go through that side. You can see how the socket will go over the cable and just get the guy loose. Okay, perfect. Once you guys get it loose, what's the cool thing about this? Okay, most of the times they'll start going by hand. Not always, but in many cases, guys. Okay, this is it, right there. This is oxygen sensor bank 2 sensor 1, guys. That's how we remove it. Replacement is in reverse order, we took it apart. We'll have the part numbers and all that, guys, listed in the description of the video below, guys, for your convenience. So please check it out, guys, and see where we get our parts from. So thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.